Okay naman yung lecture ko kahapon. Yes po. Asan kayo? Ay po. Kasi official naman is online eh. So, malapot ka, ISC na that's the memo. That's the memo that we received.
Uy, hindi na. Baka magpapakita lang. Walang stapler.
Sige, harapin nyo na lang dito. Mamaya.
Tapos, i-review natin yung ima. So, pag sa shifting exam ng ima and luma, i-curve natin yung passing. Kasi medyo madami naghahabol. I-review mo yung grades yung kagabi, yung mga naghahabol. So, pahabulin natin sila. Okay lang ba dun sa namumuna?
Guys, please,
Ayan,
nakapili
wala.
ng mga
Sa loob.
miss na kayo.
Matuloy ko
Okay, guys, good luck ha.
Bye, Ganyan ka pala, may problema na ako.
Okay, puro. Wala pong score, pero may score na kayo sa atin. Check nyo ha, Alcover, Zamudio, Escalon, Martin, Soy,
Magkahanap na yan do. What's that?
Babalik ko na sa inyo. One to three or one to four? One to three. Okay. So I think we're going to use use Canton answer sheet. Next week by how will I ensure? Sa kanila. Mahirap ba rin ang bumabalik? Napagyan ko sa inyo ni Dr. Salvador na meron siya nilagtag sa exam. Musculoskeletal disorders. Kasi parang wala sa test anyway. Pero hindi ba niya naman? Wala po. I-update na lang kita. Ito small
Luna pen.
Okay na.
Pinson.
May ano?
Sundan nyo na lang kung ano natin gawin. Makakawa sila sa enjoy siya mag-scan.
Kaya parang yung papasa niya, hindi ba?
Enjoy siya mag-scan. Ayaw ko naman yun. Tatapat mo pa sa ano. Sige, game. Answer. Number 1. So which of the following synthesizes the more integrator replacement production? Okay na ba yung kayo boys?
Yes po. Ganyan na lang po.
26. The most common anemias are due to letter C. Barrow production defects or hypoproliferative proliferation. So actually, ang chances ninyo na makatama dito ay mataas. I-FPL ko to kasi meron choice na lang ng above. Para nila tama nyo. So, blood loss, so mga 0.5. So what is known as the transport protein of iron? Transferrin. So ano yung ferritin? Salt. The first stage of iron deficiency is characterized as letter B, low serum ferritin. Ito yung makikita niyo sa table. No? Treatment of choice for symptomatic iron deficiency anemia. Symptomatic blood transfusion. Pwede natin kapag symptomatic, anemia na yan for blood transfusion. Huwag nyo lang hintayin mahimatay. Last step lang. I had a patient who had symptomatic anemia. Tapos, naglalagnat siya. Tingnan niya pagkakapag. Isang positive siya sa dengue. Ito na lang, hindi na nagtuloy-tuloy yung wala siyang bleeding. Yung kanyang anemia is iron deficiency lang based on BPS. So, kapag ka-symptomatic, admit, and then you transfuse blood. Okay, number 30. Laboratory findings consistent with hemolytic anemia, except letter C, elevated haptoglobin. So, may nagkamali pa. Yes. Ano sagot yun? Elevated serum H. ASD. Alin na enzymes kasi ito, diba? So, bakit kaya mali yung elevated ASD? Oo, hindi kasi di ba? Kapag ka hemolytic anemia, nagkakaroon kayo ng disruption ng RBCs. So, di ba, tataas yung bilirubin levels ninyo, at the same time, magkakaroon din tayo ng effect sa liver nila. Ang AST, di ba, siya yung SGOT. SGOT. Pagka SGOT, anong difference na sa ALT at SGPT? Di ba yung ALT specific sa liver? So, elevated AST is also part of hemolytic anemia. So, 31, the treatment of choice for autoimmune hemolytic anemia is, answer is letter C, corticosteroids. Diba, magbibigay lang tayo siya ng cortisone or prednisone. 32, a 34-year-old female had on and off fever associated with polymalay. TBC was done. Which of the following findings would favor a viral infection? Letter C, low WBC. May sumagot ba ng low platelet? Low hemoglobin? All of the above. Sumagot? All of the above? The answer here is letter number 32 is letter C, low WBC. Kasi diba, kapag may viral infection ka, unless it is chronic, no? Saka bababa yung hemoglobin mo. Yung platelet mo, pwede, like for example, dengue. Pero yung hemoglobin kasi, not usually seen in patients with viral infection. So, low WBC is the answer. Number 33. 34-year-old male involved in a car crash, lost a lot of blood, and his BP is rapidly dropping. What is the most appropriate management at the moment? Letter C. Transfuse whole blood available. Okay, which of the following is true about stem cells? Number 34. Letter A. Symmetric stem cell division involves production of two differentiating cells. So, stem cell division does not always produce one stem cell for renewal and one for differentiation. So, pwedeng puro renewal, pwedeng puro differentiation. So, alam nyo na, kapag kamali yung isa, yung letter D, hindi na tama. No? So, 50% chance na yan. In iron deficiency, at what stage does the demands for iron exceed the body's ability to absorb iron from the diet? Number 35 is A, negative iron balance. 36, which of the following parameter is true in iron deficiency anemia and anemia of chronic disease? Yung lahat ba ito tama? EIBCs gave kayo na ninyo si KD? Hindi. So, mali na yung D. Normochromic RBCs are seen in both cases. Yes. Number 26 is letter D. Number 37. The following are common features of hemolytic anemia except letter C, decreased LDH. Kasi kanina lang, diba? Decreased LDH. 38. Which of the following drugs should be absolutely avoided in patients with G6PD? The answer here is dapsone. Letter B. Nasa sa dito lang sa label. 29. The mechanism of autoimmune hemolytic anemia. The following explains the mechanisms of extravascular hemolysis Except 29 is letter D, conjugation. 40. The triad of paroxysmal nocturnal hemoglobinuria except letter B, hematuria. So, ano ba ang difference ng hemoglobinuria at hematuria? Sa hematuria. Kapag ka hemoglobinuria, okay. Number 41. In a 50 ml amount of blood, how many ml is comprised of erythrocytes? Letter B, 6.75. Bakit ilang percent ba? 45%. 45% of the is 6.75. 42. The following are signs of hematopoiesis in adults, except, what's your answer?
A.
A. Femur. So, mga flat bones, diba? Which of the following criteria for blood donor qualification is correct? Letter C. Donors can donate again 8 weeks after whole blood donation. Okay. Number 44. Which blood product is most appropriate to transfuse in patients with deficiency of factor 8? Letter A, cryoprecipitate. Pwede pa daw siya. Number 45. What's your answer in number 45? Letter dog. Paano nyo pinag-play? Nilalaan nyo lang ba? So, nakuha na lahat yun? Meron ba nagkamali dito? Pwede naman kayo mag-individual. So, ang formula daw ay post-transfusion minus 3 over the platelets times the BSA. Tandaan yung formula na yun, baka lumabas ulit. In a 48-year-old male with known malignancy, acute onset of tender blacks, predominantly with fever, biopsy, and associated with fever, should raise the suspicion for letter B, Swin syndrome. Compute for PSAT. What's your answer? C. Letter C. C? Yes. May sumagot ba ng B? Meron? Sige nga, sino sumagot ng C? Lahat?
Hindi.
Ano yung sagot mo, Julius? Oh, wala kang sagot. Okay, sige nga. Ano yung formula ng TSAT?
Serum iron over the ABC.
Serum iron. Serum iron times
Over the ABC times 100.
May question ako. Sino sumagot sa inyo ng letter B? Meron?
Meron.
B? Letter B?
Up.
Ay, kanina sa So, sorry.
Oo.
Sino
Baliktad yung
sumagot ng
akin.
letter C? Sige, lagay nyo naman dun sa ano, sa answer sheet ninyo kung plus or minus 1. So the answer here is letter Number 48. The following are features of severe aplastic anemia except. So our number 48 is letter B, parental lipid count of less than 2. So in patients having multiple blood transfusions, this drug is given to prevent secondary hemochromatosis. Letter B, deferoxamine. So yan yung okay, sumagot ba sa inyo ng D? Wala. B. Lahat ba? B? May sumagot ng A? A? So yung sumagot ng B, deferoxamine, plus 1 ulit. The following, kapag hindi yung sagot nyo, wala. Wala sumagot ng D, ah. Pagka sumagot ng D, minus 1. The following is true about erythrocytes. Letter boy. That's it. So, may lifespan is 7 days. Answer the sa exam, calculator. Simple lang naman yung calculation nyo. Hindi kailangan ng exam. Kaya lang ba, i-record na natin. Hindi pa alam sa inyo. Lumabit kayo dito. Kayo, paano kayo magkakasawa? Nagkakahilang pa kayo. Tandaan nyo, pagkatapos ng training, sino nang magre-referan? Hindi kayo din.
Pagsam. 27.
Binilang nyo ba kung ano yung tama? Sige nga, bilangin nyo. Titignan ko sa inyo yung tamang mga sagot. Para ko sa ganito. Okay lang. Para din na natin ito nagtatali tayo. No cheating, ha? Pwede mo sa natin. Oo, sa natin. Okay lang sa akin. Basta, hindi nyo babatan yung sagot nyo. Dahil sagot nyo. Kaya kayo. Okay. Yes. Answer D. Number 1, C. 2B. 3A. 4D. 5C. 6A, 7A, 8B, 9C, 10B, 11C, 12A, 13A, 14C, 15B, 16A, 17 boy, 18 boy, 19 Number 20, cat. 21, dogs. 22, cat. 23, apple. 24, boy. 25, apple. 26, C. 27A, 28, 29, boy. 30 to 33, cat. Ano nga yung may malita?
30 to 32.
Mamaya ka, no? 34, 35, apple. 36, boy. 37, cat. 38, boy. 39, 40, dog. 41, boy. 42, apple. 43, cat. 44, apple. 45, dog. 46, boy. 47, cat. 48, dog. 49, boy. 50, boy. Okay. Kindly check your correct. Okay. 27 is boy. Last one. Last one. So, bilangin ko na lang kasi. Yun na lang yung isip. Yun na lang yung isip. 27. Ano lang? Nagkamali lang mo. Okay. Ano na yun? Sala lang na lumipat sa wala naman naman. Lagas na lang sa hindi, ang sagot doon is A. Nasa answer key is A. Ay, wala talaga. Wala talaga. Sige nga, tingnan ko kung magtatali yung scores natin. Dapat mga hanggang plus 3 lang kayo or may deviation lang kayo. Pangalan ng mamaya. Plus 10 yung malalapang. Okay, yan.
Bumble.
Side chart. Bumble na rin.
Tawagin mo yung plus yung basta.
Wala nang... Ano nga yung kaninang bonus kanina? 27 ba yun?
May bonus ba?
Hindi, yung kanina sinabi mo.
Ay, may bonus. Ay, hindi sa ano yun.
Ha?
Parunga.
May isa pa. May yung B, ginawa ko. Wala na ako. Minus.
Isa.
Ano yun?
Ito.
Yan yung ano.
At saka yung number 49 dito. At saka ito 47. 47? Ano ba sagot mo? Dapat C.
Hindi, bininang ko naman siya.
Ito important.
Yung 27, ano ang sagot ko sa 27?
Ilagay ko na. Ilagay ko na para
Okay.
Guys, yung mga